stacked on each other. As it does, still goes back a little bit more. Oh, that one cracked. Look at that. Yeah, see, I know that path too. But yeah. Alright, so what we do is backtrack a little bit this way. Then we got to cut through the canyon through here. It's that way. Tires spinning the soft sand. Yep, this is the way back to Donnelly. Oh, look at all these crickets, grasshoppers. Oh my goodness. That's a nice little hill right here. Hilly hill going down. Look at this view. Oh, look, got the cows down there. Man, little cow down there.
Cow down there?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. There's a cave up in there.
Oh, shit.
Somebody's coming up. Somebody's coming up on a side-by-side. Alright. Chilling real quick. Taking a little breaky break. Look at these mountains though. Look at this view. And look back there. Badass little cave. I want to go back there, but I don't think I can make it up that big old hill right there. That thing's scary. Ugh. All right, about to go down this little hilly hill. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Ooh, that's That's a drop and a half. Hey, I do know this. Oh, I almost went down. My tire didn't want to roll off that rock, and I was, whew. All right, I know exactly where I'm at now. It just looked weird back there. What the hell? Whew. All right, got to the little gate. Yep, this is that rocky part I was talking about. Whoa! Hell yeah. Whew. Down a nice little rocky steps right here. Holy moly. Woo-hoo. little rock section. Whew. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, this is my territory now. I know exactly where I'm at. Oi! All right. About to go up this little hilly hill. Here we go. Nice little drop in right here. Come around the corner. Oh. Jesus.
I'm definitely tired.
So here we go down this little section right here and get to the good old bridgey bridge. Go through old Sleepy Hollow. Howdy. Whew.
A lot deeper than it was a few weeks ago.
I know.
So if you drive back quite a ways and catch the other road that way.
Yeah, honestly, I know that path too. But yeah.
We've never done that either, but yeah, 2 weeks ago, or no, a month ago, because we got married in March, we crossed through here. Yeah, and then
Alrighty. Here we go, baby. Mob through Sleepy Hollow. You want?
huh? Oh, is that you guys?
Oh yeah.
Have a good one.
Well, those gentlemen were just shooting right there. That's who was shooting. I know. Ignorant mother. Wait, and they're shooting against that brick wall? Wait, they are. Holy cow. Wow, dude. I didn't even think about that. Those guys are crazy. Shooting at a water bottle at that brick wall. I didn't even notice that, really. So yeah, we got to get out of here. What do you think? Ricochet this way. We can go this way if you want. It's the same sand trail. Made it out of Donnelly. Time to head back on the road. That thing flung a rock, almost took me out. I know. I know, round rocks stacked on each other. As it does, it still goes back a little bit more. one cracked. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Well, that was a cool little rock formation right here. So it looks like that trail just keeps going that way. I never went that way. Next time. Crazy boulder.